And I came up with a new recipe. Since you guys like the avocado sandwich so much, I had a lot of avocados left from that. So I'm going to be making an avocado paratha. And it's basically an Indian style of an avocado sandwich. So the ingredients you will need are wheat flour, aka atta, avocado, a lemon, some oil, garlic, dried coriander leaves, salt, chili powder, coriander and cumin powder, and onion, and also some water. So, next I'll say how to make it, but first I need to wear my apron. So, now I'm going to do the first step, which is to cut the avocado in half. And it's cut in half. So next I'll just take it out with a spoon. Make sure to do it on the sides. And just a little bit there. Like I said in the last video, make sure to put it under 2. But first get out the seed. So mash it until it gets into this gooey mashed consistency. And then I'm going to add some lemon. That's enough lemon. And I'm going to mix that in. So that's enough mixing. And next I'm going to add half a teaspoon of this chili powder. Depending on your taste. Because if you want it a little bit more spicier, you can put more. So I mix it, all of it. And next I'm gonna add some of the coriander powder and cumin powder in. It's optional, but if you want to make the paratha a little bit more spicy, then you can add it. Then mix. Next, I'm gonna add the onion and the green chili. These are optional too. Then I'm going to add the minced garlic. So next I'm going to add the dried coriander leaves. So after a little mixing, I'm going to add some salt. And it should look like this. Your hands, but always make sure to wash your hands before doing this. So I just put 2 cups of atta in here. And make sure not to put too much water in the beginning, otherwise you're going to get a watery dough consistency. So I'm just going to add all of it. So next, just knead it. Make sure not to get atta everywhere because that might happen. Added a little bit of water to make this dough. And I'm going to add some, and you should add some oil to make sure it doesn't stick to your hands. So you know what's funny? I used to love to play with Play-Doh when I was a kid. The funny thing is that I love to play with Play-Doh, and this feels exactly like Play-Doh. And plus it tastes better than Play-Doh. Trust me, I've tasted Play-Doh before. So you should mix it until it gets into this dough consistency. So then I'll keep it aside for 10 minutes. And the thing you need to do is you need to take a chunk of your dough and roll it up into a ball. So after that, you fine a little bit and put some extra flour on it and just like spread it a little bit. And then use the roller. Disclaimer, I am not a professional cook. I don't really know how to roll a circle. Put on more flour and keep on rolling. So after it's pretty much a circle, just leave it aside for a few minutes and do it with all of the dough. Make sure to spread some flour on the actual base so that it doesn't stick. Here. Turn it on a little bit. And roll. And sprinkle a little on top. And then, after you do that with the rest of the rotis, we'll go on to the next step. Then you flip. I'm just going to do the same to both of the sides. So basically, after you roll it, then we'll move on to a heart for my mom and dad. So it's very easy to make it into any shape you want. You can just cut it with a butter knife. So it's safe for kids. I'm just cutting them a little bit. And I'm going to make it a little bit quiet. As you can see, it's now a heart. So then from that, I'm going to actually turn it into a paratha. So let's go. I put the roti on the pan. So I'm doing a round roti. So make sure to be careful if you're younger and you're using a stove. So I'm using my parents' help for this part. Next, I'm gonna add some butter on top. This is my heart paratha, my heart avocado paratha. So this is how it looks like when it's done. I also added a side dish of Boondi Raita. If you want to see the video on how I made it, it's linked in the description below. And I also put some avocado with some mint and some avocado. And these are the parathas. And there's also some achara. And there's also some pickle on the side. The heart looks so delicious. I wish I could eat it right now. So, this is the final product, and you should try it at home and let me know how it goes. So, thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Remember, there's a link in the description on how to make Boondi Raita at home. So, thanks for watching. Bye. Namaskar.